Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tinned fish samosas. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth cooking process. Next, I'll guide you through preparing the savory fish filling, combining the canned fish with aromatic spices for a burst of flavor. Finally, we'll master the art of folding the samosa pastry into perfect triangles, ready for frying or baking. It's simpler than you think. Now, let's dive into creating that irresistible filling. Begin by sautéing finely chopped onions and garlic until fragrant. Then gently fold in your flaked tinned fish along with your chosen spices like curry powder and chili. Cook this mixture until it's well combined and slightly dry, ensuring a perfect texture for your samosas. Then, I'll show you a straightforward folding technique to form those classic triangular shapes, sealing in all that deliciousness. Practice makes perfect. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide on making tinned fish samosas, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist or setting timers hands-free with the Echo Dot smart speaker while you're in the kitchen. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your samosas are perfectly folded, it's time to cook them to golden perfection. You can choose to deep fry them in hot oil until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy, usually taking about 3 to 5 minutes per side. For a lighter option, bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes, flipping halfway. Serve these delightful treats hot with your favorite chutney or dipping sauce. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.